Let's start with fresh ingredients. We have bright orange salmon, red chilies, thinly sliced shallots, fresh coriander, and lime wedges. These will bring vibrant flavors to our dish. Now it's time to prep the vegetables. Let's start by slicing the red chilies into thin pieces. Look at those bright colors. Next, chop the fresh coriander and slice the purple shallots thinly. These vibrant ingredients will bring a burst of flavor to the dish. Now let's prepare the salmon. Carefully slice the fresh salmon fillet into bite-sized cubes. Look at how shiny and vibrant the salmon is. These perfectly cut pieces will soak up all the delicious flavors in our dressing later. Now it's time to mix everything together. Add the salmon cubes to the bowl, followed by the vibrant red chilies, thinly sliced shallots, and fresh coriander. Gently toss everything with the tangy dressing. Look at how all the colors come together. This is going to be one flavorful dish. And here it is, our beautifully plated salmon salad. The vibrant orange salmon, the pop of red chilies, and the sprinkle of sesame seeds make it a feast for the eyes. A squeeze of lime on top, and it's ready to serve. Doesn't this look absolutely mouthwatering? Time to dig in!